This is a great opportunity to share with you. To be a green telecom, telco, we provide green services, and also we make ourselves green. So I will share the experience in my company. And from the report of the Smart 2020, they inform us the ICT consumes energies and also make the greenhouse gas emissions. However, green ICT, the ICT may make other industries green and save the energy and also reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. So we talk about the ICT in two aspects. One is the green of ICT, and the other one is the green by ICT. And also, from the report of the OECD last year, there's different impacts from the technologies and the applications, and also the change in behaviors. These few days, we talk about the technologies to make direct impacts of the environments. And as service providers, we develop the services, the applications, and then they will enable the impacts. And if everybody change the behaviors, then I think the impact will be huge. So I will introduce first the ICT in our company, and then the services we develop as an example. First of all, I'll show you the Chunghwa Telecom. That's a telecom operator in Taiwan. We have the mobile services and also the fixed line. In the fixed line, we have the domestic, also the international, and also the internet. We also serve as an ISP. And the revenue share of the mobile is right now is about 44%. Domestic fixed line, including the PSTN, the voices, the broadband access, that's about 35%. And internet is about 12%, and international 7.7%. So that's all the services we provide, with also the value-added services in the mobile and also value-added services in wireline. And as a telco, we try to go toward green, and we have some activities. We migrate our infrastructures, and then we build the platform for the cloud services, and with the platform and the infrastructures, we develop and also provide the services, many services, and also with the third-party applications. Also, we have a strong operation supporting systems, follow the TM Florence guidelines. That's for the so-called the NGOS operation systems and billing systems. And right now we found there are many opportunities for the so-called Internet of Things, the IoT. So next I will show some examples, the services we provide, and based on the IoT devices. So first of all, we place the equipments for the green, follow the EU's Code of Conduct, and also the ITU's climate change. And we set the green conditions for the procurement of the equipments. We have set the power dissipation, power consumption limitations. So we we gradually replace our existing equipments with new green equipment. And also we try to use the free cooling to eliminate the power consumption for the equipment cooling. So in the fixed line, I will separate the access, transport, and all the core network. For the access, right now the main services are based on the ADSL, VDSL, and that's FTTX plus VDSL2, and some FTTH. Right now, the fiber coverage is about 73%, but we try to increase to 83% in next 2 years, and the access will be switched to GPON and next generation PON. Yeah. And for the transport network, right now it's DWDM and then 10G, ROADM, and next generation SDH. And we will migrate to 40G, ROADM with optical cross connect, and the PTN, and also the MPLS-based switches. And we also consolidate our core networks, especially as a legacy telco. Many systems already exist, many IP core networks. So we consolidate our existing core network into the final target is one single core that's based on the IMS-based NGN. And this show an example. That's a central office called Guandu. That's the first side of the central office. We take off the PSTN switches, and then we replace with the IMS and with the access gateway. So you can see all the racks are removed. That's space cleared, and also just a few racks for the access gateway. And for the power consumption, you can see in 2009, November and December, that's a quite large drop of the power consumption, and that's in 2010, the first quarter. So from the experience of these central offices, there's 75% floor space reduced, and the power saving is about 82%, and few core elements we need. And for the transport, we migrate from the PDH, SDH, NG-SDH, and optical cross connect. And then for the DWDM with 10G, 2.5G, 10G, 40G, and with optical airdrop modulators, multiplexers, or ROADMs, and we migrate from the point-to-point to the ring and the mesh architectures. So our goal is to enable the intelligence and automation. And for the access, we went through the ADSL, VDSL2, and there's also possible the MIMO DSL, or so-called green DSL, that improves the line rates. And also that's for the FTTH with EPON, GPON, 10G PON, and others. And through the efforts of the chip vendors, there's an example. They combine, they integrate 4 chips into one. So in our experience, we have reduced the DSL's power consumption about 36%. Right now, per user is about 10 watts. It's quite consistent with this morning's report. Per user, about 10 watt wire lines. And also for the mobile networks, that's a huge bandwidth increase. From 2007, the Q1 in 2007, we launched the HSDPA with 3.6 megabit per second, and last year, 2010, the Q1, you can see the huge bandwidth increase, about 24 times. So that's the need. We should expand our networks, including the mobile backhaul, including the backbone and others. And also we try to use the green energies, the clean energies. That's a solar cell panel in the mountain areas, and wind turbine. And also we use the free cooling to reduce the air conditioner. And we place the old equipment to the new one, and you can see that's a substantial reduction of the power requested.